In this complete section, we are going to work on checkout and shipping. So here, after adding items to cart, we are having proceed to checkout button. I will click on this. As soon as I click on this, I will be redirected to shipping page inside which I am having this complete form. But now let me just log out. Now successfully user is logged out. I will be redirected to home page. Inside this, I am having two items. Now user is not logged in. Now if I click on proceed to checkout, I will be redirected to login page, and after that you can see I am having redirect to shipping. Only if the user is logged in, only then we can move to shipping page. I'm just going to log in khanamtestad@gmail.com, password, enter. Now you can see directly I will be moving to shipping page. But let me just come to products. I will log out. Now normally I'm just going to log in user. Normally if I try to log in user, you can see directly I will be redirected to profile page. So in this way, multiple times we are going to check for the condition, and based on the clicks, we are going to display different routes. So one by one, we are going to work on this complete functionality. Let me come to my project. Here, I will be closing all the files, and I'm just going to open cart.jsx. And here we are having this proceed to checkout button. For this, I'm just going to add on-click event handler. Inside this, I will be passing the function checkout handler. Copy this function, and above this, I'm just going to create. Below this, const, create the function. But now, as soon as I click on this proceed to checkout, if the user is logged in, only then we will be moving to shipping, or else we will be moving to login. And here, above this, I will be creating one variable navigate. And for this, I'm just going to assign this use navigate hook. This hook is imported, copy, paste, and inside this, I'm just going to pass, okay, slash login, exact same thing. After this, I will be passing this redirect, and where I have to redirect, I have to redirect to shipping. So in this way, I will be passing, this is my login route. As soon as I log in, I have to redirect to shipping. So here you have to pass slash, and after that you have to pass the route name, that is shipping. Save this, come to project. Now if I click on proceed to checkout, you can see I am redirected to login page, and after question mark I am having redirect, and where I have to redirect, I have to redirect to shipping. But let me just log in khanamtestad@gmail.com, password, login. But in my project, I am not moving to shipping page. Instead, I am coming back to home page. So what we have to do? We are just going to open login.jsx. And inside this, we have just mentioned if the user is authenticated, then directly move to home page. Now what I will do? If the user is authenticated, then simply move to profile page. Below this, I will be creating one variable. Variable name, I will be passing redirect. And for this, I'm just going to assign this profile route. Now copy this redirect. You can also pass home page. Okay, it's completely your wish. Let me pass this home page. Now I will copy this redirect, and in place of passing this route, here I will be passing that variable. Now again come log out. I will log in user, but I do not want this. Instead, below this, I will create one variable location, and for this, I'm just going to assign this use location hook. And while working with filters, we have already seen how this use location hook will be working. And this redirect variable, I'm just going to access below. And inside this, here I will be writing or And inside this, I will be passing the first condition where I will be creating new instance of URL search params. And inside this, I'm just going to access this location.search. After searching on this, I will apply get method, inside which what I have to access, I have to access this redirect. And this redirect we have passed inside this card. You can see this redirect we have passed inside the card. And while logging in the URL, we are just searching for this redirect. If we are having redirect, then what value is assigned? We have assigned shipping. So we will be redirected to shipping page. But while logging in, if we are not having redirect, then simply we will be moving to home page. Now save this. Now in cart, we have already defined this. Let me come to my project. Now user is logged in. Click on this. Proceed to checkout. Now you can see directly I have moved to shipping page. But now I will log out. Now I am inside login. And inside this URL, I am not having redirect. So directly, as soon as I log in, I will be redirected to home page. Okay, this or this. If this condition is matching, I will only proceed with this one. Now let me come to home page. I will click on this. Now as soon as I click on this proceed to checkout, in my URL, I am having login question mark redirect is equal to slash shipping. Now inside this, I am having redirect. So using this, I am searching for redirect. Yes, I am having redirect. So whatever value is assigned for that slash shipping, I will be redirected to shipping page. Now I'm just going to log in. hanampestad@gmail.com. Password. Hit enter. Login successful. And I will be redirected to shipping page. So in this way, we are just going to define our route. After passing the routes, I'm just going to open cartslice.js, and inside this, for our shipping info, I will be creating one action. Below this, I will be creating this shipping info. I'm just going to assign empty object. Why? Because if I'm ordering something, I will be giving my address, and that entire address I will be storing inside the object. And I am only one user, so that is the reason I will be passing object. Now inside this, here I will be creating one action. Action name I will be passing save shipping info. Here I will write state.action and then open this function, and that complete shipping info user will be giving, and that entire data we are going to assign to this action.payload. So here I will access shipping info state, and for this I'm just going to assign action.payload. So whatever address user is giving, that information will be passed and that will be assigned to action.payload. And finally, whatever information we are having, we are just going to store entire shipping info information in local storage. So here we will pass this local storage set item, and inside this I will be passing shipping info. And then what information I have to store? I have to store this state.shipping info, and this entire thing I have to convert to JSON. So here I will be passing JSON.stringify, and inside this I will pass state.shipping info. In this way, whatever shipping info we are having, we will be storing inside local storage. After creating this action, we have to export this action. Below this, I'm just going to export. Very important to export the action. If you do not export, we will not be able to import and dispatch these actions.